all of the time, whenever I share a few AI altcoins, I always get the comments that they are already trading too high or they have already pumped a lot. So that is why in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a few altcoins that I'm personally buying right now that have not yet pumped a lot and are actually on a massive discount during this Bitcoin dip we are currently having. And yes, I do think that these altcoins I'm about to share are about to pump massively in the coming few months. So right now is going to be the time to be paying attention. Right now is going to be the time to be buying. So without any further ado, yes guys, if you do want to be knowing exactly what is going on with the Bitcoin market, make sure to watch today's market update video and let's right away have a look into what's the first altcoin. And I'm going to be sharing this list from market cap from high to low. So in the end of this video, the lowest market cap gem will be coming. And in the beginning of this video, I'm going to be talking about the highest market cap coin. But still in the beginning, you can be seeing that the first altcoin, RSS3, is still sitting at the $240 million market cap. So that is still quite very low, and it still easily has that opportunity to pull 100x from of this point. And today I actually bought even more of this altcoin. I definitely do think that in the coming few months it will be doing very good. In the short term it has been seeing a little bit of a dip, and that is why I've been buying even more today, and I'm going to be explaining exactly why I am going to be bullish on this altcoin in the longer term. First of all, what I always like is that this is a new altcoin. This one has been launching last year, so it has recently been launching. It is not an altcoin from of the previous cycles with a lot of backholders. No, it is a new altcoin, which I always like. Now on top of that, also the centralized exchange listings do look very good. It is listed on Bybit, which I always definitely do like, because whenever Bybit is listing new altcoins, it always means that the altcoin is pretty good, because Bybit is doing a lot of research into these tokens, and in order for a coin to be listed on Bybit, either the volumes need to be very high, or there's done a lot of research on the coin, which definitely in this case a lot of research on this coin has been done by Bybit. Now on top of that, also OKX has been listing this coin, and on top of that a lot of these other smaller ones. So straight away at our first look, that is already looking very good. But what I actually fundamentally like about this project is that RSS3 is the open information layer, structuring open information for the next Twitter, Google and OpenAI, and it utilizes AI for indexing, similar to how the graph operates, and this is a key component because I really like the project The Graph, but to be honest, their tokenomics are literally awful. And while this project, the tokenomics are way better, and still the market cap is way lower. So that is what I like about this project. Now also, it is listed as one of the partners on the Google Web3 list, along with some other industry leaders in the crypto space. This is definitely looking very good for this project, and still the market cap is so low, and that is why I've been buying even more. Right now it has been trading in a very nice dip. That is what I like. But anyways, moving on into what's the next project, and to be honest, all of these projects are pretty crazy because they are trading at such a low market cap compared to their potential. Of course, you want to be having a look into what's the potential of these projects, but the next one is going to be Airtor Protocol, Ator, and I've been talking about this altcoin already many times. I've been buying a lot already at these lows over here. I've been saying publicly on my Twitter, I am buying the dip, and this was back at about the 80 cents, the 70 cents. I've been getting a very low entry on this altcoin, and well, probably that is one of the major reasons why I actually love this altcoin right now, because I've been just buying this altcoin so low. But right now still it is a great entry because you can be clearly having a look into what's this previous resistance, this previous all-time high, actually turning into a support right now. And I've been having a look into what's these Fibonacci targets, and we actually did get rejected from of that 1.618 level. But I think having a look into what's these targets, projects is going to be a great way for our next target, which is going to be coming in at the $5.2, the $8.9, and in my opinion, in this bull market, this altcoin will easily be going above the $20, and in my opinion, even above the $30. I mean, the potential for this project is just so high because it is still so undervalued. It's sitting at $170 million market cap, still extremely low. If you are going to be having a look into what this project is actually building, well, it is absolutely crazy. I absolutely love their branding. They have already been actually releasing their product, so definitely in the current tip, I think this is going to be an altcoin you should be having in your portfolio. Now, in my opinion, the exchange listings are still kind of meh. Of course, it is listed on BitGet. That is already looking very good, but I would love for this altcoin to be listed on Bybit. Now, I do think it is going to be coming soon, but there are no confirmed sources just yet. But definitely do be aware of that. I would love to see it trading on Bybit. Now, it will be very good to mention that most of these projects are not really like AI projects. They are more kind of building for AI projects, or will be more like infrastructure plays for the AI niche, but still, definitely all of these projects are going to be massively profiting from all of the AI hype that is currently going on. Because yes, all of these projects are actually tapping in towards the AI narrative, which is what we want to be looking for. Now, anyways, the next altcoin is going to be Noya Synternet, and they've just gone through rebranding, still sitting at $138 million market cap. Now, the only thing straight away I don't like about this project, and from of the rest I like everything about this fundamental play of the AI narrative. Now, the only thing I do not really like is going to be the exchange listings, because it is not really listed on BitGet. I want to be seeing this BitGet listing. I want to be seeing this Bybit listing. Other than that, definitely KuCoin, Gate.io, and also HDX. Well, definitely these are some major good exchanges, but I am just buying it on Uniswap myself. I would love for them to actually get listed on BitGet or on Bybit. But other than that, I think this altcoin is just perfect. It is, fundamentally speaking, just a very similar altcoin to EOS, and yes, I've been talking about EOS as well. It is right now sitting at the $730 million market cap, so already significantly higher, and also at the same time, Synternet is having major patents in the niche. So that is the thing what I absolutely love about this project. At the same time, the branding they are doing is just looking so good. It is sitting at major support levels right now in the short term. Definitely, I am going to be expecting some kind of a bounce. If we can be breaking above this level of resistance, I think at that point, the next leg towards the upside will be starting to be initiated. But yeah, in the recent few weeks, I've been buying a lot of Noya. I think that in this bull market, this altcoin will be doing great. Definitely way too undervalued at these current levels. But anyways, moving on, having a look into what's the next altcoin, this is going to be Carbon Browser. And recently I've tweeted about this, and I think that this altcoin is about to bottom out anytime soon in the short term. We can actually very beautifully see that we are sweeping the lows down below right here, right now, falling down below it just in a very short while. But I think if we can be getting back above, I think then we are going to be getting initiated our next leg towards the upside. And this structure is actually very common in crypto. It happens a lot and usually does indicate that bottom for altcoins. Now, in my opinion, for this altcoin, it is having insane centralized exchange listings compared towards the market cap, because the market cap is only sitting at the $21 million market cap. And if we are going to be having a look into towards the exchange listings, it is, for example, having BitGet, KuCoin, Maxi, Gate.io, and BingX, which definitely, in terms of the market cap, is absolutely insane. They are definitely paying their way in towards these centralized exchange listings, showing that the team is definitely focused on adoption of this altcoin. Now, talking about adoption, we can also be seeing that there are 7 million downloads to date of their browser. So definitely, right now, there is insane adoption actually going on. Now, if you want to be comparing this altcoin with another alternative altcoin, well, Carbon Browser is going to be competing with Basic Attention Token, and that token is sitting at a $400 million market cap right now. So that is already 20x higher than the current market cap of Carbon Browser. Now, in the last cycle, Basic Attention Token actually reached a market cap of $2.4 billion US dollars. So that would be 110x for the current price of a Carbon Browser. So definitely, I think that the potential for this altcoin is going to be unmatched. That is why I'm going to be investing in this altcoin. I'm definitely willing to risk it on this altcoin for the potential. It has already been showing a very strong chart because, yeah, you can be already having a look into a 1-year chart and you can already be seeing a very clear uptrend right here. So let's see what this high potential altcoin will be doing in this bull market. I definitely do think that it has some high and huge potential for this upcoming bull market. Now guys, having a look into what's the next altcoin, this one is going to be such a small cap gem. People are literally sleeping on this next altcoin, and yes, of course, I'm talking about Lenify. It is even sitting below the 4 million US dollar market cap, which I think is just absolutely mind-blowing because the branding and the actual project of this one is just looking so good. People are sleeping on this altcoin gem. I think this altcoin is about to explode anytime soon. It is sitting in the AI and deep in narrative, and I think it will be easily going in towards the 100 million US dollar market cap. Now, I think it is going to be going even higher. It introduces a decentralized residential proxy market, and it is the first one in crypto, and their project is having a real world use case. Now, on top of that, also their first product actually already launched. So that is why I just think that this project is just so undervalued. Now, it is quite hard to get your hands on towards this altcoin because it is still only trading on towards the Ethereum chain. But usually, whenever it is hard to get your hands on towards a token like this, usually that should actually be the time to actually go in towards the coin, because whenever it's going to be listed on all of these exchanges and whenever it's going to be easy to get your hands on this altcoin, well then of course it has already pumped a lot. Right now it's still quite hard, so that is why it's so undervalued right now. Now Lenify has already announced that they're going to be bridging towards a base chain, so yes, soon it will already be quite a lot easier to get your hands on towards this token. So please, right now take your time and do some research and actually buy this coin on chain, because I think right now you are going to be getting the best deal. Now this altcoin, yes indeed, it is actually still trading inside of some kind of an uptrend on that 4-hourly time frame. But yeah, some technical analysis on this altcoin is just actually pointless because it is just such a low cap gem. But definitely guys, you've wanted these small cap gems, you've asked for it. So right now I'm recording this video for these small cap gems. They have a lot of potential. Yes, they are a little bit more risky, but these are going to be the projects you want to be having a look in towards if you want to be going for that 100x in crypto. Okay, now definitely all of these altcoins that I've been sharing are going to be doing quite well. I have a lot of conviction in all of these altcoins, but definitely do be aware that one of these altcoins is probably going to be doing quite bad, and all of the rest is probably going to be outperforming everyone and yeah, making up for that one loser. That is just going to be the game with investing, but definitely in all of these altcoins I'm having a lot of conviction. Now, having a little bit of a bonus for you guys, this is going to be an altcoin that has not yet been launched. And yes, definitely, if you want to be going for these 100x's in crypto, you want to be in these projects early, even sometimes before they have even launched. So definitely have a look into what's this altcoin, Mirada AI. It has not yet been launched. It's fitting very well in the narrative of the AI narrative. So definitely drop them a follow on X. Their tag is Mirada AI. So drop them a follow on X and find all the details whenever they're going to be launching on their X profile. Now yeah, you can be seeing that their IDO is actually on the 1st of May. So definitely do some research. And yeah, I think that these are the projects you want to be investing early in, so make sure to have a look. And guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another video later.